Good morning, all of you, my dear students. Last time I have taught you the basic ideas, you can say the syllabus and the marks weightage to the respective titles. Today, in this lecture, I am going to tell you one of the story, and the title of this story is Love Story. And this love story is an essay written by a famous animal rights activist, environmentalist and politician, that is Maneka Gandhi. She has worked and served massively in the field of environment. She was also in the ministry of the central government. She is the founder of animal advocacy. This writer, Maneka Gandhi, has written several books on animal welfare and law. Heads and Tails is one of the most famous book written by Maneka Gandhi. She worked as an Indian Union Cabinet Minister for Women and Child Development in the central government. Now this story, which is titled as Love Story, in this story Maneka Gandhi has shared her personal experience about a baby sparrow. She portrays her feelings with pain towards this rescued baby sparrow. She has described the growing up of the bird and her care for the bird. She minutely displays the universe of affection. The theme of this story or essay is loss and parenthood are prevalent in the essay, which creates more influence on the reader's mind. At the beginning of this story, the Maneka Gandhi feels the pain of losing Num. The pain is like of heartaches to her. The bird's death makes her completely melancholic. She considers that it was her own fault of loving this bird. She knows that the pain of losing the loved one is greater than anything else. The author describes losing as the corollary of loving. Thus she starts to narrate the total story of Num. Now just I focus the main ideas regarding this story. The two sparrows built a nest in her bedroom behind a drawing of camels. She is familiar with screeching, calling out of these birds for making nests. In her house, there used to be a dried grass coming from the nests. Sometimes her dogs used to bring the dead birds to show her. Everything was normal for her, but everything changed after Num comes in her life. These two sparrows built their nests. The female sparrow laid eggs, and after 2 weeks, the author heard the screeching of the newborn. One day, when the author was busy in her reading, she heard the sound of the fan, and the female sparrow had been hit by the fan, and this female sparrow died on the spot. After seeing this, the heart of the author was beating very fast. She held the sparrow tenderly. The sparrow had a very small flutter and suddenly the sparrow loses her eyes. I mean to say that she dies in her hand. As the female sparrow died, the author did not know about the nature of male sparrow. It was unknown to her whether the male sparrow will take care of the baby sparrow or not. The author awaited for the male sparrow till the night, but it did not come. The author says that she named this bird as Num Num. The word Num Num is taken from the Hollywood movie of The Party. One day the father of the baby sparrow returned. He was unable to find his wife and nest. Thus he started flying here and there to search the nest. He searched the nest everywhere in the room, but he could not find it. He could only find his daughter in the cardboard nest. He could not come near due to his fear. This father sparrow brought a new female sparrow in the afternoon. Both started to build their nest. The author saw that this new female settled down in the nest with the baby sparrow. The author calls this female sparrow as wife number 2. This wife number 2 also died due to the heating of the pan. The male sparrow was unable to understand about the incident because within 3 days' time he had faced such type of agony, despair, or you can say it has become a part of her sadness. In this way, we see that this sparrow died. Means we can also say that due to this tragic incident, the author decided to remove the nest from her bedroom so that the male sparrow would not be able to start again for starting a new life. The author decided to close up her bedroom so that no more nests are built there after Num Num dies. The author also shut her bedroom with the air conditioner. Now in this way we can say that this is nothing but it is the tragic death of these sparrows. Actually, as Maneka Gandhi, she was in the cabinet ministry as an environmentalist, but most of the time she enjoys nature, environment, and that's why most of the writing is to her credit about the environment. Thank you.